AZORult malware is making a comeback with yet another social engineering attack. Researchers at Kaspersky Labs report that a malvertising campaign redirects traffic to a spoofed ProtonVPN website that spreads the infamous malware. VPNs, or virtual private networks, have risen in popularity, with roughly 17% of desktop, 15% of mobile, and 7% of tablet users employing the use of a VPN on a monthly basis, according to the website thebestvpn.com. ProtonVPN, NordVPN, and VPN Pro have all been subject to such scams similar to AZORult as user numbers have increased. The AZORult malvertising attack began in November 2019 when the attackers listed the Proton.store website on a Russian-based register. Upon visiting the malicious website, which bears a resemblance to the original ProtonVPN website, the unsuspecting user is lured into downloading a fake ProtonVPN installer for Windows. Instead of getting the VPN they want, they receive a copy of the malware to download, and the fake software infects the victim's computer. Researchers explained that upon execution, the malware collects environmental information about the infected device and uploads the gathered data to a command and control server that is located at accounts.protonvpn.store. The malicious actors will then proceed to steal other information such as email credentials, usernames, passwords, and even cryptocurrency directly from the user's local wallets. Additionally, the malware will also obtain data from locally installed browsers, including cookies and browser history. AZORult is using COVID-19 to spread its infection. In addition to the recent malvertising campaign, AZORult malware has also been spread recently via phony coronavirus maps. Hackers have created multiple websites related to the coronavirus and information to prompt users to download an application that is purported to give updates on the pandemic. The website displays a map that looks genuine that displays heat zones related to the COVID-19 spread. It then generates a malicious binary file and installs it on the victim's devices. According to Shai Alfasi, a security researcher at Reason Labs, as the coronavirus continues to spread and more apps and technologies are developed to monitor it, we will likely be seeing an increase in corona malware and corona malware variants well into the foreseeable future. AZORult, a menace born in 2016. AZORult has been active since 2016 and is one of the best-selling malware strains on Russian forums. Buyers seem to like AZORult because of its numerous functions and its proven high performance. Not only does the malware harvest sensitive information, but it can also act as a dropper for other malware. Also, it guarantees its owner's anonymity by its tricky use of .bit domains. This more than justifies its price tag of $100. Although the malware continued to sell well, Cridbrox, the main distributor of AZORult, stopped selling it at the end of 2018. Cridbrox explained that all software has a shelf life. It's run out for AZORult. It is with joy and sadness that I announced that sales are closed forever. And now, almost 2 years later, a new version of the malware is making a comeback with new tricks as well as rewritten and improved code. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. Spy Hunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download Spy Hunter today. Thanks for watching.